You're looking for the perfect flooring for your next project. Maybe you want something modern, versatile, and perhaps something a little easier to install yourself without 100 different tools. SLY offers innovative solutions for all your flooring needs. Our collections offer a wide range of products with various sizes and dimensions to fit your taste and needs. Need large sizes? We've got them. Larger? Sure. Even larger and more versatile? Absolutely. Along with 1, 2, 3 herringbone and square collections, we have everything you might want. With its revolutionary ISO core technology that provides a rigid, strong dimensionally stable core and innovative Drop-Lock 100 and Drop-Lock 400 installations, SLY offers stunning designs that complement any room. The flooring is significantly quieter due to its sound insulating underlay, reducing noise by up to 18 decibels. It also provides additional comfort as you walk on it. SLY designed flooring are incredibly stable and durable, with ultra-fresh and anti-mold treatment on top and bottom, allowing for a long life of beauty in your projects. They are also very compatible with underfloor heating and can be easily installed indoors. SLY, featuring ISO core technology.